everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Few clicks equals launch your own online AI live university, with 20 plus high-tech professors and AI-powered courses. And charge them any amount you want in monthly fees. Never seen before AI Live University Builder app. 20 plus ready-to-teach AI professors instantly deliver AI Live classes in math, physics, chemistry, coding and more, all done for you and 100% automated. AI Live professors for 20 plus subjects, covering academics, tech, business, languages, and wellness. Smart student management system, track student progress, issue certificates and provide AI personalized feedback. AI-powered Q&A and adaptive tutoring, instant help for every student, available 24/7 through built-in AI guidance. Run AI-powered exams, quizzes and auto-grading, assess, grade and evaluate with zero manual effort. Monetize your university with AI-driven subscription model and charge monthly subscriptions or one-time payments. Comprehensive AI academic curriculum, deliver done-for-you live classes in math, physics, biology, chemistry, history, geography, English, economics and political science, all powered by AI. AI-powered tech and coding courses, instantly teach high-demand skills like AI, machine learning, web dev, Python, JavaScript and more. Creative and skills-based learning, empower students with courses in art, music, graphic design, photography, and video editing. Business and finance education, teach high-income skills like marketing, entrepreneurship, stock trading, personal finance, and crypto investing. Health and wellness training, provide learning on psychology, yoga, meditation, nutrition, and personal development. Multi-language learning, instantly offer AI-led classes in English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Mandarin and more. Teach students worldwide without barriers. Smart AI tracking and reports, monitor student progress, performance and engagement in real time with powerful built-in analytics. Seamlessly integrate with YouTube, Google, and social media for free traffic. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. Fire all your expensive tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included, create and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Activate AI professors, live classes, Q&A sessions and automated student enrollments, everything hands-free. Go live with your AI university and start welcoming students worldwide, instantly with AI Live University Builder app. Start your own Live University in any language and launch full AI-powered universities in just seconds with AI Live University Builder. Instantly deliver AI Live classes in math, physics, chemistry, coding and more, all done for you and 100% automated. Deliver done-for-you live classes in math, physics, biology, chemistry, history, geography, English, economics and political science, all powered by AI. Teach high-income skills like marketing, entrepreneurship, stock trading, personal finance, and crypto investing. Instantly offer AI-led classes in English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Mandarin and more. Teach students worldwide without barriers. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.